this is the set.
Okay, this is...
Okay, this is, no, turn it like landscape view. This is behind the scenes of, what is it called?
Make it rain.
Make it rain. Okay, so Stevie, I need you to help me. By the way, this is Nick's money. Props to him.
Make it rain. Oh, sorry.
I'm crying.
And later in the set...
There's money stuck in my hair. Hey. It's ridiculous. Okay.
Just like you threw a phone check.
My throat. Ow. I can't straighten my hair right now because the power is out.
So this is how we entertain ourselves. By making it rain.
Now outfit change.
Okay. This is Roxy in
The clown suit. Clown rodeo.
There's money stuck in my... No, I'm not putting this on.
Yes.
Yes.
Scene 2. It's the clown rodeo scene 5.
I'm done.